very noisy. I have stayed in many Premiere Classe hotel in France over the years, but I have to say this is by far the worst. I was traveling with my elderly mother and had requested beforehand a ground floor twin room. On check-in I was given the top floor. I explained that my mum, who was 83, cannot manage that amount of stairs. After much huffing about, we were given a ground floor room with 3 single beds that you couldn't swing a cat in. Stayed for 2 nights, both of which we had rowdy behavior from guests in the next room. Never again. Sorry to be so negative, but I just couldn't say anything positive about it. Discover Premiere Classe Saumur, a charming stay in the heart of Saumur. Welcome to Premiere Classe Saumur, a delightful 1-star hotel nestled in the enchanting city of Saumur, France. With its prime location and warm hospitality, this hotel is the perfect choice for both leisure and business travelers seeking a comfortable and convenient stay. As you step into Premiere Classe Saumur, you'll be greeted by a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The hotel boasts a total of 69 well-appointed rooms, ensuring ample space for guests to relax and unwind. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern amenities, ensuring a comfortable stay for all visitors. Check-in at Premiere Classe Saumur begins at 1 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and start exploring the beautiful surroundings. Whether you're arriving early or late, the friendly and attentive staff will be there to assist you with a seamless check-in process. When it's time to bid farewell to this charming hotel, checkout is until 12 p.m., giving guests plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely morning before their departure. The convenient checkout time allows for a stress-free end to your stay, ensuring you leave feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Please note that Premiere Classe Saumur has a child policy in place. While children are more than welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly for more information on the child policy and any additional fees.